Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. Let me start off by saying please to subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below. Now this video is our start out video for our weight loss initiative and staying healthy. I know a couple of you have heard we saying before that, listen, we're gonna work out, stay in shape, remain fit, lose some weight, but we haven't actually done anything about it. Well, this time around we are doing something about it. I think last night we had done our weigh-in to see where we each were at, and yeah, we're not impressed by what we saw. We're not feeling good by what we saw, and the intent here is that as the days progress, that we will be losing some weight. What we also plan to do is to do some research in the process to find ways and means that we can implement into what we're doing to make the process beneficial to us, and hopefully we can also impart through the video information that you guys can in turn use. As you all know, myself and Tanisha, one of our favorite workout spots right now is the Brayton Hill. We've been going there ever since we met, and it's a good workout spot. In the process though, we do intend to visit other spots, kind of change up the thing a bit, put more fun into it, but for the most part it will be our main point of working out, burning the calories and stuff. The Brayton Hill is a good place to be at, guys. You go there, you meet people, there are other teams working out, you can join them, and in this particular video you will see us just coming across a group of persons working out, and we joined them and we all had fun together. You're welcome anytime to join us on the hill, and we just have some fun together. We have said to each other that in 3 months time we'll want to see some significant results. I think we kind of aim low this time around. I think I said I want to lose 10 pounds. T says she wants to lose 15 pounds. Over a 3 months period, that is not too difficult to accomplish once we remain consistent, once we follow a proper diet plan. So as you all know, weight loss is not just about working out, because you can be working out and if you're not eating properly, then you will not see any result. So for this particular initiative, the idea is that we are going to work out and we're going to adjust what we're eating right now accordingly. So things like snacking and eating 10, 11 o'clock at night is something that we'll have to taper down. I didn't say get rid of, taper down. Eventually we probably reach a point of get rid of, but right now there are a couple of areas that we know we can taper down on, and we're definitely going to be doing that, and we welcome you on the journey. And as I said before, it is the intention that as we travel this journey together, that we can impart value to you guys, something that you can look at and maybe even apply to your lives. I think weight loss, or the whole health goals, is something that we all have as a part of us, but I think for the most part we get caught up with other stuff and we don't give it much attention. So hopefully we can shine some light on it for you guys, and it will have a positive impact on your lives. So, welcome to the journey. This video, you will see us, on the hill, having fun, and we plan to be there again tomorrow, and hopefully the next day, and many more days. So join us. Thanks for watching, and just look at the fun that we had this.
Okay, so we're ready to start our, wouldn't be weight loss alone, but a fitness, healthy journey. So here we are.
3 months journey.
3 months, 3 months
journey.
and going.
So in 3
We
months
will
time, I'm
continue
supposed to
though.
be looking sexy. Right
With
now,
abs
I got the gut right
and
now.
not gut.
Got the good, the beard gut.
So
Well,
we will do whatever it takes
Get it off.
to look good,
Abs.
fit, and sexy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This is how babes currently looks. Very sexy. Very appealing. Lots of tummy. Turn sideways for them to see the tummy now. Yeah.
This needs to go completely.
Completely. So we say in 3 months' time we're going to take off some of that. Take it on to what? Take off 15, we say. So 15 off her and 10 off me. So that's me going to 173 and she going to 200.
200. So at least 200.
200.
Yeah.
It's a journey.
In 3 months.
In 3 months. What are we going to be doing? Our dieting going to change. We're going
Dieting, TLC products for sure. Exercise. And
yeah, we're going to be monitoring a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
We know it takes a lot of discipline, guys, and we can be disciplined when we want to. And that is the journey that we're going to be taking, being disciplined at this
as July 25th,
tomorrow that, babes?
2020.
Tomorrow that?
So
Tomorrow?
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 Yeah.
Rastafari, okay.
Yeah.
So, it means we're not going to eat after 6 tomorrow then?
No.
Jesus Christ, okay. It's a journey.
No late night eating. None at all.
I know we can do it.
Yeah.
Going to kill that.
No snacking. None at all.
So we're going to cut off that belly. We're going to cut off my belly.
Resolution.
Look at that belly, guys.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Proper dieting.
Right.
And healthy eating. Yeah.
Everything that goes towards losing weight, that is what we're going to be doing. I know we can do it.
We've done it before, so
we've done it before.
Again.
Yeah, we've done it before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to the hill tomorrow morning. So it's what time now? It's now 9:30 in the night, and we are already planning for tomorrow what we're going to be doing.
Yay.
So we know we're going to wake up on time, and we're going to head to Brayton Hill, and we're going to start burning those calories. It's going to be an awesome journey.
I'm so excited.
Nice. We say 3 months, so it's August, September, October. So at the end of October, we should achieve and surpass our weight goal targets. Mine being 173, I would say 170, and looking
So,
fit and firm,
At least 13 pounds.
Yeah, that's pretty easy for me. And you're going for 15, right? I think
For this current weight loss goal.
right. I think we're going to surprise ourselves by doing far more losses than that. No tummy not going to jiggle because I jiggle. It's jiggling. It's jiggling. Jesus Christ. Got that jiggle. Alright, honey. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to get rid of it. Yeah.
At least
Yeah.
it's clean, no stretch mark.
Yeah, no stretch marks, you know. But yeah, it's jiggly. So we're gonna do it, guys. Right, so as you just saw a while ago, that was both of us being honest about the whole process and actually doing our way in. Now I know for the most part females don't normally like to declare how much they weigh. So I just say babes, thumbs up for really taking that big jump and publicly declaring how much you weigh right now and actually showing the people how you look in terms of, yes, there's some tummy weight right now that we know is going to go and stuff, but really appreciate that move. Yeah, so now you're going to see us moving into preparing for the Brighton Hill. Well, actually being at the hill. Yeah. Alright, so we start in the hill. Where is you? Where is you? Where is you? Where is you? Yeah, we decided to start the journey this morning. And we are going for it. Brighton Hill, we say. Lose the pounds, we say. Yeah, yeah. Come on, Miss Murphy, come. Come on, smile. You can do it. Yeah, we're 3/4 way up the road and we are going for it. How you feel? How you feel the pain?
I don't feel no pain.
Okay.
One step at a time. It's my first day back in business.
Go for it, go for it, go for it. Alright, almost there. Wait a Miss Murphy. Yeah, we're midway the journey, guys, and look at our face. My goodness. Come on. You can do it. Come on, honey. Tell the people them hi. Tell them you can do it.
It's not easy, but I'm doing it.
Every day we're going to be doing this, right?
Yes.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Yes, definitely.
So we finally reached the top of the hill, and I'm going to show you the view. I'm going to show you the view from the top. The view
As if
from
the
the
view,
top
as if the view going to bring them up here.
is very beautiful.
Hold on there, I get a view. What a view there?
Yes, when you're at the top, the view is very beautiful. OMG. So, strive for the top.
Yeah, so we made it. I mean, if you see the back, them is for the tonight. Like, yeah, we made it up here. For the building. So yes, guys, there you have it. A fun day on the Brereton Hill. We went there around 5:50 a.m. and we left around minutes after 7. And I was between walking from the bottom to the top and down to the tank and actually spending some time with that group of persons that you saw, with the music and the dancing. So we had a fun day, and we're looking forward to tomorrow morning again. Thanks for watching, and again, please to subscribe. Yes, please and thanks. Please subscribe and comment in the section below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.